Hello and welcome back to the channel. This is Jay, and it's time to work on the book of colors for the month. And this is my book of colors. We've already done the colors red, orange, purple, and this month the color is yellow. So what I want to do is, I don't know, it doesn't kind of look, I wanted to put a road down. This doesn't kind of look like a road, so I'm going to go without that. You know, doing my book of colors, I always get, like, I get to it, I'm like, oh, okay, I'll put this here, I'll put this there, I'll do this, I'll do that. And then I get all into what I'm supposed to be doing and cutting out all these pictures and wanting to do a cohesive collage and stuff like that. And everything, forgive that noise right there. It's like, oh man, trying to get this just. But I think this time in my book of colors, I'm just putting my stuff down. I'm just gonna go and do it and collage, and it's not gonna be like your beautiful cohesive things like I've been doing. I think I'm just gonna free think it. That's right, free think it, Jay. You can do it. I'm gonna have to cut that page down. I'm just gonna free think it, not put too much of my whole, you know, everything into it. I'll trim that down. I just want to get my collage down. So what I want is, I want some flowers. I love a good flower, and I love sunflowers. I just love sunflowers. So I want some sunflowers here. I think I got some more. I want some sunflowers. Here's one over here. So I want sunflowers. Hope everybody's doing well. Hope you're enjoying the book of colors as much as I am. I just love putting this together every month and figuring out what it's going to be all about and finding the colors and everything. And just a reminder, this is Cat Hands Group, and she gives us the colors every month to do. I had all these faces, but it's too many of them. But I think, where's my scissors? I might want to cut some of the faces down and use some of them. So I think I want to use some of them. There's such a, I'll have to think about it. Now that I cut it down, I have to think about it. But I know that you need a yellow house. You need a yellow house. You need a yellow house. So I'm gonna put my yellow house right there, because I gotta have a yellow house. Got my yellow house. I'm gonna need a yellow taxi cab that probably could take me away from the yellow house somewhere, because I need to think of adventure. So I'm gonna get in my little taxi cab and go somewhere. And when I go there, oh, I like this face I got. I like that face, but that face is so big. I think I only like the eyes. I think I only like the eyes. So I want those eyes. Yeah, I want the eyes. I like the eyes. And then, on top of the eyes, I told you, I'm free thinking this. On top of the eyes, I'd like another bat. And so then, what else I got? Oh, I got Mr. Peanut here. He doesn't fit in my eye theme thing. But these girls and these faces do. Let's put this girl here. put her here, right there. Put these girls here, because they are gonna kind of take over my little yellow house that I put there. They're gonna kind of take over my little yellow house that I put there earlier. So they're gonna be there. And my eyes, oh, I need to cut it a bit. My eyes are gonna need that yellow strip right there. And on the yellow strip, I want to add another flower. Here by the eyes. And because this one is not turning out, I thought I wanted it to be a little bit comic-y like. I think I want this girl who's looking up. I want her to look up at the eyes. I want her to be looking up at the eyes, or looking off from the eyes, like that. And this girl, I only need half of her. She can be, no, she doesn't fit. No, she doesn't fit in my scheme of things. She don't fit. What about these flowers? Do they fit? It fits. Now I have to say, don't you just hate these kind of stickers where you have to peel the back off in order to make it work? This, I want to round my taxi cab, but like that. And I think I want another face here. I think I want this face. Paying attention upward to those eyes. Yep. Yellow this month is like a different type thing. Yellow's not like my usual thing. And do I have any more flowers? I don't think. See, I was going to use I was going to use minions, because I was going to go the minion way. But of course, he doesn't fit. He doesn't fit. Then I need, and since he doesn't fit, then I need and what I need is, sorry, I was cutting my paper and trying to think about what I needed. I needed another set of eyes. So I'm thinking, for my yellow for the month, it's a different kind of collage than my usual collages. See, this was my, I skipped too far. See, this is my usual collaging. So these are my usual ones. And this is my off-the-cuff, trying to figure out what I'm about one with all my pictures that I chose. So sometimes it's good to pick up and do something that's totally different in your book of colors. And this one's all about these ladies here that I stamped out. I think I got one more lady left. One more lady left. And I don't think she fits. And I even was going to use this guy, but I'm not. But I think I want to use this word, beautiful, here. There. Now, there we go. I'm all done with my collage for my book of colors for the month. And the color for the month is yellow. I'll bring it down so you can see it. Tell me what you think about it, you guys, because I'm always trying to do something a little bit different. So tell me what you think. It is a little different from my usual style, but I always got to change it up a little bit. So tell me what you think, and I'll talk to you guys later. Be the reason somebody smile. Press that subscribe button. Press the like button if you like what I'm doing on my channel. Come back and join me because I have more videos and more fun. Thank you, you guys. It's kind of quiet doing this one, but I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.